Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. This time I will show you how to set up your environment to start developing databases using Microsoft SQL Server. Specifically, we're looking into installing two different components: SQL Server Express, which is the actual database engine, and SQL Server Management Studio, which is the tool we'll use to connect directly to the database and manipulate its data. Let's begin by installing SQL Server Express. To do that, open a browser and navigate to Microsoft.com. Click on the All Microsoft menu option at the top right corner of the page. Select Data Platform, and then click on the Downloads option from the top menu. On this page, we will find the different SQL Server product options that Microsoft offers. We can get a SQL database on the cloud, get the full version for an on-premises server, or get a specialized edition of the product. This is what we will need as developers. Scroll down a bit to the specialized edition section and you will see two options. We have the developer option, which is a full-featured edition. That means that it will include all the features from the paid version, but it can only be used in a development environment. And the one that we want to download today is the Express edition. This is free. It has less features, but they are enough for starting our development. So click Download Now under the Express option. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the executable. You will see three installation options. Choose Basic to install the default features. Click Accept. Select the install location. It will usually be in your Program Files folder. And let's just wait. Once the installation is complete, SQL Server Express will be running as a background process in our machine. The next step is to install Management Studio to be able to connect to the database directly. Let's do that by clicking on Install SSMS. This will take us to the download page. Scroll down a little bit to find the first option, Download SQL Server Management Studio. And let's wait for the download. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the executable. Choose the location for your program. It will usually be under Program Files and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio version number. Click Install. And let's wait for a few moments. Now open Management Studio from your Start menu. This tool will automatically detect our local SQL Server Express instance, so all we need to do at this point is to verify the server name, make sure we're using Windows Authentication, and click Connect. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your computer for developing SQL Server databases. Now you can start writing SQL scripts to manipulate databases, tables, and data. That will be all for now. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.